Good afternoon, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're doing well. This is Teacher Farah and Teacher Khulud. We will take today a new lesson. It's lesson 2 in Unit 2. We are in the student book, page 19. So open your book, page 19. But first, let's make a quick revision. Last lesson, we talked about parts of the body. Parts of the body. Let's revise them together. First one, head. Please repeat after me. Head, head. Hair, hair. Eyes, eyes. Ear, one ear, 2 ears. Nose, nose. Feet, 2 feet. 1 foot, 2 feet. Legs, 2 legs. Hands, 2 hands. Arms, 2 arms. Mouth, mouth. Remember that T will H gives us بيعطونا sound th. So mouth. And we added 2 new words, finger and toe. Finger and toe. Finger, it means اللي هو إصبع اليد, okay? Finger, it's a part of our hand. هي جزء من الهاند. And the toe, it's a part of the foot. هي جزء من القدم اللي هي الإصبع القدم. Toe, okay? So finger and toe. Now let's move on to our new lesson, which is page 19. It's a reading lesson. So reading, okay? Now we have in exercise number 3, 2 pictures. 2 pictures as you can see. Look, listen and read. Picture number 1. Let's talk about picture number 1. What do you see? What do you see? I see a boy. I think he's a football player. Why? ليش أنا حكيت عنه football player? Because here we have a ball. Here we have a ball. So I think he's a football player. Now, what does he look like? This boy, what does he look like? He is tall. He is tall. Now, what does he have? What does he have? ماذا لديه? This boy, what does he have? He has brown eyes and brown hair. Brown eyes and brown hair. Now move on to picture number 2. What do you see? What do you see? I see a girl. I think she's a singer. She's a singer. The word singer, we take it, أخذناها من الverb sing, يغني. So singer is a person who sings. الشخص يلي بيغني, we call him or her singer. So singer. طب ليش أنا حكيت عنها singer? Why? Because she holds, هي حاملة microphone. So, what does she look like? What does she look like? She's pretty. Pretty. Can you see the word here? Pretty. Pretty means beautiful. Beautiful. The same meaning of a pretty is beautiful. It means جميلة. Now, the third question, what does she have? What does she have? ماذا لديها? This girl, what does she have? She has a small nose, small mouth, and black hair. As you can see here, she has a black hair, short black hair. Now, let's listen to the audio.
Unit 2, Lesson 2, page Exercise 3. Look, listen, and read.
He isn't short. He's very tall. He doesn't have black hair. He has brown hair. Does he have blue eyes? No, he doesn't. He has brown eyes. She isn't tall, but she's very pretty. She has a small nose and a small mouth. Does she have black hair? Yes, she does.
Okay, let's listen again.
Unit 2, Lesson 2, page 19. Exercise 3. Look, listen, and read.
He isn't short. He's very tall. He doesn't have black hair. He has brown hair. Does he have blue eyes? No, he doesn't. He has brown eyes. She isn't tall, but she's very pretty. She has a small nose and a small mouth. Does she have black hair? Yes, she does.
Okay, now I will read these two pictures, the words in these two pictures. He isn't short. He is very tall. He doesn't have black hair. He has brown hair. Does he have blue eyes? No, he doesn't. He has brown eyes. She isn't tall, but she's very pretty. She has a small nose and a small mouth. Does she have a black hair? Yes, she does. Now, my dear students, take out your pencil and let's underline the adjectives. يلا خلينا كلنا together نعمل underline على ال adjectives. Let's find out the adjectives. Where are the adjectives in these two pictures? Here we have short, tall, black, brown. Excellent. These are the adjectives. These are the adjectives. So underline the adjectives. Now, let's find out together. خلينا سوا find out نوجد parts of the body. Where are the parts of the body here in the paragraph? Let's circle parts of the body. Here we have hair, eyes, nose, mouth. So circle them. Now, let's move on to exercise number 4, practice. So we are going to practice what we talk here. الأشياء اللي أخذناها هون. We are going to practice them here in these two pictures اللي هم for 2 men. Here we have 2 men. This is for the first one and this is the second. The first person here. What does he look like? What does he look like? What does he look like? He's short. He is short. Okay. What does he have? What does he have? He has brown hair. As you can see, he has a brown hair. Now move on to the second man. What does he look like? What does he look like? He is tall. He is tall. Okay, what does he have? What does he have? He has blue eyes, black hair, and that's it. So he has black hair and blue eyes. So when we want to ask about a person إنه كيف شكله هذا البيرسون. what do we use؟ إيش ال construction اللي بنستخدمه؟ we use what does he or she look like. Okay, so what does he look like? When we want to ask about الشيء اللي بيملكه أو كيف الأشياء الذي لدى هذا الشخص or the person, whether it's a girl or a boy, نستخدم what does he or she have. Okay, the answer is she has or he has, and that's it. Thank you.